God refuses or accepts men in the secret. Refusal is not a public thing. God can choose somebody and openly you may not like the person, but God knows why, and that why is where? In the secret. Then you can see another person in the open, God will reject the person and you wonder why. The why is still where? In the secret. You will notice something, that even though David did not make it here, however, there are business of priesthood and the wars he has been fighting. He has been fighting battles. God was testing him. He saw where they gave him a sheep. He would have allowed the bear to carry one sheep. Is it not only one? Yet, because of one sheep, he risked his life, fought the bear, opened the mouth, and brought out the sheep. What he didn't know is that heaven, though the father didn't know, though nobody knew, who knew? God. And there is this frustration with humanity when nobody knows, because general human opinion can be created either for you or against you because of what people generally perceive. However, you have to trust God that knows in the secret.